this is how you're going to undo in Elementor. So we all make mistakes while designing. In Elementor, there are two quick ways to go back in time and fix them. So first is the keyboard shortcut. So at the very bottom left of your sidebar, you'll be able to click the icon that looks like a clock. So it really depends on the layout of your Elementor. If you're using the old version, you'll be able to find it from the very bottom left, which is right here. But if you're using the new version already, you'll be able to find this clock right here. So it's at the top. For in my case, you're going to click on that, and then you will be able to see in the actions tab every change that you made in this session. So you're just going to click on a previous step to jump back to that exact moment. So for example, I edited a text right here. I added a text editor and then I edited it. So it is saved right there every single moment. Now, you can also use the revisions tab right here. And then this allows you to go back to versions of the page you saved days or even weeks ago. So basically, actions are every change that you made today, while revisions are every change that you made for the past week. So this is the long-term revisions. And that's it. Now, if you just want to have a simple undo button, you can just click on Control-Z just like how we would in every other website, and this will instantly undo your last action. And that's it. That is how you're going to undo in Elementor. This is a lifesaver when you accidentally delete something important. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.